kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious green smoothie packed with nutrients. The star ingredients are fresh spinach and ripe bananas. Let's get started. First, grab a handful of fresh spinach. Spinach is not only low in calories, but also loaded with vitamins A and C. It's a fantastic way to boost your daily greens. Rinse the spinach thoroughly to wash away any dirt and pesticides. Next, we'll use 1 or 2 ripe bananas. Bananas add natural sweetness and creaminess to our smoothie. They're high in potassium and fiber, making them the perfect ingredient for a healthy boost. Peel the bananas and break them into pieces as you toss them into the blender. Now, it's time for some liquid. You can use almond milk, coconut water, or just plain water. Pour in about 1 cup. This will help blend everything smoothly and create that perfect consistency. If you want to amp up the flavor, consider adding a spoonful of nut butter or a sprinkle of chia seeds. These extras pack in even more nutrients. Once everything is in, secure the blender lid and blend on high for about 30 seconds, or until smooth and creamy. Finally, pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. This green smoothie is not only refreshing, but also a perfect way to start your day or recharge in the afternoon. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Happy blending.